Nothing like a good hot fire on a chilly evening.
We're having a blast.
We are. Met some friends.
And made some new friends.
Made some new friends. It's going to be a fun night. Tony's fixing up our burgers. Look at those. Well, Duane and I were walking that morning and looking at the lake, and you can see how beautiful that is, and just all the different campers that were out. And I spied this RV, and I thought, I wonder if that is a YouTube channel that we have met before. We have been at a camp out together, and so we walked past it, and I told Duane, I said, I really think that is Adventure Bandits, but it may not be. So we went back a little bit later and got with Tina and Tony. We told them, and they said, let's go. And all of a sudden Talmadge came out, and we talked to him a little bit.
So tell us who you are and...
Yes, who are you?
Okay, I am Talmadge of the Adventure Bandits, and we are here Senecaville. And we actually enjoyed, since it started raining, we enjoyed our stay where we were about to.
And just reintroduce ourselves to him. All of a sudden, Ashanti came out.
I'm ready.
So what got you into camping?
What got me into camping was these guys, the Adventure Bandits, because of all the Ohio.
Thank you. That is so kind.
And talked to us. We invited them down to our campsite, and they did. They came down, and we spent a lot of time. They even rode our e-bikes. Now, they have e-bikes. They have electric bikes, but they wanted to see what ours were like. And here you go. You can watch them ride.
I might need it. I just might need it.
You're good.
Okay. It's just like riding a bike. Yeah, it is.
What? Yours are that fast too, aren't they?
Who's next?
Go for it. Oh, it's fast too.
Oh yeah, that's at level 1 only.
No.
They enjoyed it.
I think they did.
So as far as the campground goes, we were amazed, not only the number of spaces, the upgrades that have been made, but just the beauty. I think we hit there just about the right time
Oh,
for the
my goodness.
leaves changing. And if we didn't, I can't begin to imagine what it was
No.
like. And the lake, the calmness of the lake, and it was just peaceful because where you are there outside of Senecaville at Seneca Lake, not a lot of background sounds and just very relaxing. We needed that, and it allowed us to hang out with all of our friends that were there and just have some good time together with some games and conversation and fire pit. And
Well, the sites were huge, just like they were at Tappan Lake. So we haven't been to any other. We've only been to those two.
yes,
But as you can see, the sites were just incredible. Well kept.
very level.
And the bathrooms were just, I mean, I'd like to have a bathroom like they had in their washroom where you can do all your washing. And then we walked up the hill.
Yes.
Duane found it first, walked up the hill. What a place. If you wanted a gathering of people and grills and all kinds of things.
Serving tables as
Just
well
incredible.
as picnic tables. Everything you would want for an event.
Right.
And felt very secure. The rangers were doing rounds regularly.
They were.
There were plenty of places to hike.
Yeah, they were there around. And then we walked down to the beach.
Yes.
And evidently they do events probably in the summer because the season was pretty much over. A big tractor 18-wheeler there, as you can see. So they must, and I looked in the curtain and it was a stage. So they must have concerts and all kinds of things. And then I walked down to the beach. It was beautiful. What a great place to take your kids.
I am very impressed with the Muskingum Watershed efforts that
Really?
are being put
I
out to give RVers a wonderful place to escape and just enjoy the natural beauty. They had shelters on various hillsides. The access to everything very, very convenient. You can drive in. Cambridge is a little bit of a drive. You can drive to Cambridge and find any kind of shopping or things that you need to pick up some last-minute items. We found a little hideaway place. Again, when you go RVing, talk to the locals.
Right.
They know where the places are.
Right.
Bear's Den
All the food.
was incredible.
Hey, everybody. There you go.
It was a busy night, but everybody that worked there took time for us and just had some great conversations. And I'd recommend, if you haven't been there, to look up the Bear's Den. It was worth going to.
Oh, it was so good. It takes about, 10 minutes to get there, maybe?
Something like that.
But fall time is a great place if you're not interested in having to swim. And there's a lot of things for the kids to do.
Absolutely. Even big kids.
Yeah.
We got to ride our bikes.
We did. It was a little chilly.
Yes.
We didn't ride it too much, but we got to see some things.
Absolutely.
too.
So I'd give it a strong thumbs up.
Yes,
And,
definitely.
it's worth finding and experiencing. If you also have a boat,
Oh, a lot of
that
people
lake.
take their boats.
Yes.
There's some campsites with it's big enough to put your boat, your trailer, and your truck on the sites.
so I would encourage you to take your boat and find a good-sized lake there at Seneca
And then
Lake.
maybe give us a call and we'll go bike riding with you.
It's the least.
I know.
We hope you enjoyed watching our video about Seneca Lake and with our friends and other activities that took place while we were there. We'll be back for
We will.
sure. And we'd
Sure.
encourage you to check it out if you haven't already. But we just appreciate you taking time to journey with us. If you haven't subscribed yet, please just push this subscribe button. It means a lot to us to know
Right.
that you're out there and that we're all part of this family together. And also, if you enjoyed the video, as I always say, give us a thumbs up. That just lets us know we're on the right track. And then you can ring the bell so you know when our next video comes out.
Right.
And you won't have to hold your breath all that long. but you can follow us along. So, as always, from the best of us, the Floros, to the best of you and all of your journeys, all across these great United States.
Right.
Enjoy your travels. We still have some time. We're still going to get out again.
Yep, we're going again
Have-
next weekend.
Yes,
We're home
haven't-
this weekend.
Haven't put the camper up yet. The RV is still locked and loaded to travel.
Right.
And so you can still get out and enjoy some time. Enjoy this bright, sunshiny, great weather we have this weekend here. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.